What's up guys, welcome back to this video. This is Jack from All Tools Info. In today's video, I will show you how you can create and add your own ChatGPT custom instructions. But before doing it, first let's try to know what exactly ChatGPT custom instruction is and how it can help you. What are the ChatGPT custom instructions? ChatGPT custom instructions refer to specific guidelines or requirements provided by users or organizations to tailor the behavior or responses of the ChatGPT model according to their needs or preferences. These instructions can include rules, prompts, or constraints to guide the generation of responses in a desired manner. Point number 2. How ChatGPT custom instructions can help you. ChatGPT custom instructions offer several benefits to users, enhancing their overall experience and maximizing the utility of the AI model. Here are 7 ways users can benefit. I have explained each section in this blog post. You can read it if you want to know more. Overall, ChatGPT custom instructions empower users to tailor their interactions with the AI model according to their preferences, objectives, and constraints, ultimately leading to more effective and satisfying experiences. Now let's see how we can add ChatGPT custom instructions. By the way, before this feature just was available only for premium users, now it's available for all users in all versions. First, open your ChatGPT account and then click on your name, and then click on ChatGPT custom instruction. As you can see, we have 2 boxes here that we have to fill up with their custom instruction. In the first box, you have to write about yourself, and if we see what kind of things you have to write about yourself, they have mentioned a few things here. You can follow these things, but if you want, you can write about more yourself. Just make sure that is covered in 1500 characters. And in the second box, you have to write about how you want to get a response from ChatGPT. They have also mentioned a few things here. Let's see something practical. If I ask ChatGPT who I am, without custom instruction, as you can see, ChatGPT doesn't know anything about me. So how ChatGPT can respond me that what things I like to see and respond. Let's suppose you are a writer and you have a specific tone and writing style that you follow while writing. So whenever you are trying to write something with ChatGPT, that time you also want to see your writing tone and style on ChatGPT response, right? But telling ChatGPT every time and in every conversation about your favorite tone and style is quite boring and repeated work. So what you can do here, you need to set up ChatGPT custom instruction. Let's add a custom instruction. But if you are thinking that how I can write my custom instructions, don't worry, because in this blog post I have shared 5 custom instructions templates that you can copy and paste just to change your tone and skills. Link in the description. At All Tools Info, we have different AI workers, so we have to use different custom instruction. Right now I will use a YouTube video script writer instruction. So let's copy from here. And paste here and save. Now, I'm again asking the ChatGPT who I am. As you can see, ChatGPT writes about me. Now I'm asking, tell me more about me. As you see the output result, now ChatGPT can write about me. ChatGPT write, you're a YouTube video script writer with a passion for crafting engaging and compelling content. Now whenever I write any video script, ChatGPT will follow my voice tone and writing style. Also, ChatGPT will respond like a video script writer. So that is one of the key benefits of using ChatGPT custom instruction. Well, make sure you visit this blog post to find your custom instructions, and if you don't find custom instructions according to your profession, let us know in the comments. We will update this post with your professions. If you have any other questions or require related to this video or topic, so let us know in the comment section. We will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.